Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing of my PR package from Golden Plans Co. I've had this for like 2 weeks, I'm not gonna lie. But if you watched my previous video, I gave a little bit of an update of where I've been. And no, if you did not watch that, I have not had the baby yet. I've just been really busy and also trying to conserve my energy. So let me get my invoice out of here so I don't accidentally flash my address. All right, so got quite a few different things here. What's this? So I have a coupon code for this shop. It is Olivia. This is from Golden Plans Co. So let's go ahead and dig in. Oh, this is a kit. This is a kit, and I actually don't want to go. Oh, this is extras. Wait a minute. What is this? Ooh. Oh, no, this is part of my order. Okay, I'm like, what? All right, so I got some extras. I'm gonna pop those up there. Pop that up there because I don't wanna go through that yet. Okay, push this to the side. All right, so here's the freebie that you get. So cute, I love her pants. I got these Planner Babe stickers. I got this girl with a pink fro and her awesome white jacket. Got some laundry stickers. Oh no, there's glue. And I got some cleaning stickers. I don't know how I got, how did I get this glue on my backdrop? I'll have to get that off later. All right, so there are those items. I did get this Kate Spade inspired Erin Condren cover. Let me take it out of the plastic for us. Ooh, it's really cute. So this little, her shirt says she leaves a little sparkle. Really cute little outfit. I love the inside. I love polka dots. And then the back is just that traditional Kate Spade stripe pattern. Love that. And very thick lamination. All right, on to the kits. I don't even remember how many kits I got, to be honest with you guys. Oh, okay, so I got 2. So I'm gonna put that one to the side. This one is called Fashion Forward. This was more of a fall-inspired kit. And I'm all about the fall. Fall is my favorite. So here is the functional page with the deco. We got the beautiful full boxes. I love this tall box. The ombre heart checklist with the stitch labels at the bottom. We got the headers, which, that font looks different. I like it. Half boxes. We have the little things, the asterisk, and this. Those look like solid headers, or they could be stackable washi if you want it. Then we have the beautiful date covers, the bottom washi, one of these, the sidebar stickers. So that is Fashion Forward. I do like the change in that font. If that's even a change, or maybe I haven't seen a kit in a while. That could be it too. And then this one is my, it's one of my favorite kits that she's come out with, seriously. And I got extras. I got extras from this kit specifically. That's what I was trying not to show you guys earlier. So this is called Black Girls Bin Magic. So here is the front page, the functional page with the deco. The beautiful freaking full box. It's like, look at how pretty. Look at that planner, Black Girls Bin Magic, all the beautiful girls. We have the ombre heart checklist, the stitch labels at the bottom, the headers and the half boxes with the glitter in those half boxes. We have the little things, the solid glitter headers, or the solid headers and the asterisk, and then this beautiful like mystical bottom washi with the beautiful date covers and a weekend box. But I wanted to get some extras to make this kit stretch, because you guys know that if I use the ombre heart checklist, I don't use the like standalone checklist. So I figured, well, if I do that, I can incorporate this kit in more than one spread. So I got the extras, which were these, just the add-on fashion girls, basically. So look at how pretty they are. I love her hair. And then, last but not least, I love her so much that I got her in die cut form. And so here she is. And you guys know I love her die cuts. I love the print quality, and I love the paper that it comes on. So there's my order. I cannot believe I've been holding this in my like literally on the side of all my other planner stuff for so long, but I've just been so busy, you guys, just nesting. So here's all of my items. You know, I'm gonna fan them out for you guys. You know how I do. I love to show out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And then here's the beautiful cover, but I'm not gonna put that down because it's gonna cover everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy this, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.